Going to make flowers like this. Need a half a pipe cleaner, a button, scissors, stapler, punch. Take a page, colorful page out of a magazine or even just writing, and once tearing it out, it's going to be cut into 1.5 centimeter strips this way. Each flower uses 4 strips of paper. You take the strip and punch in the middle. Line up the hole and staple just to keep that together. And you're going to make 4 of those for every flower. I've got a whole bunch of them over here. So then we take the end of the pipe cleaner and put it through the button. And pull it tight like that and just bend over. So we've got the end, and then that's obviously going to be the front. So I'm going to choose the colorful sides and put them in. Which side do I want? And I'm going to choose 4. And once the 4 have been put on, you can move them around to position them, and just at the back make a little bend in the pipe cleaner so that it's on tight, and there it is, all done.